This is going to be a fantastic week around Italy, as we have our very good friends along with us on their first ever cruise, and we'll all be boarding Oasis of the Seas. As normal, it's an early start for us here in Terminal 2 at Manchester. Just a 2-minute stroll from the multi-storey, and it's relatively quiet this morning. So, come along with us and let's see what Amanda and Dave think of their first time on a cruise ship. Security was a breeze, and it's after 5, so first stop, time to grab a beer and surprise Amanda and Dave with a cruise goodie bag to help them enjoy their week. A couple of beers later and it's time to head to boarding. Where did the time go? We have everything booked for the week: shows, specialty dining, along with excursions, and you don't want to miss out, so our top tip is to reserve everything as soon as you can.
There we go. It is, isn't it? Shaz, take that. Yeah, it's got Amanda's food in. It's all Amanda's.
It's me, Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
A few hours later and we're here in Barcelona. If you follow our travels, then you'll know we book all our transfers ahead of time through booking.com. This is the first time we have had any issues. We got delayed through customs, so the taxi cancelled on us. We still managed to get our money back quite easily. However, there's loads of taxis and a short 20-minute ride will cost a fixed fee of €45 to the cruise port. MSC always dock in Terminal A, and here is Oasis in Terminal B. To save time, our second top tip is to watch all your safety drill on the app while you travel into the port.
What? No, as soon as you go this escalator, then you go the escalator here, and then you go walk ramp straight on.
It's baking hot this week, and now our first full look at this gigantic ship.
Are we this size? Yeah. What's that? There you go. I know where that must be.
Yeah.
So that's it, we're on the ship. Time to get muster out of the way, drop our carry-on cases in the rooms, change into our swim gear and hit the pools.
Balloon drop. Right, let's go get muster's done. Which one? Anywhere?
3 hours later.
After a quick bite treat at our Loco Fresh, it's a stroll around the top decks before we get ready to sail away.
Yeah. Well, right, that's all the wind grabbing. And the ultimate abyss. That's the slide that goes down.
You want for Tui?
What?
That's the new Tui ship. Where's your...
One of our good leaders on that. Yeah.
Look how small it is compared to
Tiny.
Hey.
Look at the width.
No way.
We're still IT, look.
No
That's
way.
tiny, isn't it?
Double.
التوجه إلى محطات التجمع.
What a great start to this holiday. The service has been fantastic, the atmosphere on Oasis is super. We're going to have a blast this week. Time to get this party started as we sail off to Palma. Casey's unpacked a great first meal in the main dining room. You can't not fall in love with the sunset and the sea. Now time to explore the ship. Off to the rising tide up to Central Park to enjoy the rest of the evening. If you haven't yet, hit the notification bell and join us as we head out to Palma, Cinque Terre, Rome, Sorrento, Amalfi Coast. So come along and join us on this series.